Now, you might be wondering, or you might be not wondering as well, what Nasi Goreng means. Nasi means rice, Goreng means fried. So there you go, fried rice. Today, I'm gonna be showing you a very generic nasi goreng which my mom used to make for me. I learned how to make this dish when I was like really young, I think around the age of 5 because it's just so simple. So first of all, we're gonna slice up the onions. I'm using a full medium-sized onion over here. Now if you got shallots, even better because it tastes less pungent. So if you're using shallots, I would say use around like 5 to 6. That's our onions done. Ah, the garlic. I mean the ginger. I mean the onions.
Which one is it?
Yeah. Onions. Bloody onions. Next, we're gonna get some garlic. I am using 3 cloves of garlic today. Now back at home, Mommy always pound and grind the onions and garlic on a pestle and mortar along with the chilies. But today I'm not using that because I'm lazy and just like chopping is a lot quicker. Now if you're the kind of person who is like can't be bothered of the longer steps but still want to make that delicious meal, you are my friend definitely. Now we're going to be chopping up some chilies. I am not going to be adding these chilies to my recipe because these are fake chilies. They're plastic. So instead of chilies, I will be using our Mak Tok's fire chili paste or fire hot sambal. If you don't have our fire hot sambal, don't worry, just add 4 chilies. You would want to use bird's eye chilies because that's the one that's going to bring out the fiery spice to it. And also if you can get hold of any type of sambal, you can use that as well. I've got some green beans over here. And that's the prep work done. Let's get cooking. So let's turn on the heat. Let's pour in our oil to fry our egg. And there we have it. That's our egg done. Look, this is like the 2 hands and the egg. It's like I want to hug you. Right guys, time to add in our onions and garlic. I'm sauteing my garlic and onions for around 1 minute. We're going to be throwing in our frozen vegetable medley. There's peas, sweet corn, and carrots in there. This is to bring out the beautiful color in our dish. Now, if you don't have frozen one, don't worry, you can use fresh one, even better. We're going to move all the ingredients to the side, and I'm going to throw in my belacan or shrimp paste. Now, if you're on a vegan or vegetarian diet, don't worry, you can skip the shrimp paste and add vegetable bouillon to this recipe instead. So the shrimp paste is the one that's going to give our dish the nice savory umami-ness. Now I'm going to incorporate the shrimp paste with our vegetable. Mix them up well. Now to the vegetables, I'm going to be adding in our fire hot sambal. Smells so good in my kitchen now. So the next step is we're going to add in the rice. This is my leftover rice from last night. Now the trick to be making a really good nasi goreng is don't use rice that you've just cooked. Now if you're using freshly cooked rice, leave it to cool for at least 2 hours before you actually make nasi goreng because you don't want your entire nasi goreng to be too soggy because nobody likes soggy rice. We are going to season our nasi goreng with a light soy sauce. Next I'm using sweet soy sauce. Now this is kicap manis. Now this is a secret family blend kicap manis. If you can't get hold of this, don't worry. Any type of kicap manis will do. Let's add in some white pepper. Let's drizzle it with a bit of sesame oil. Finally, I'm going to be adding 2 ingredients to it. First of all, let's throw in our green beans. I'm adding in another secret ingredient. It's not a secret, it's just that I have leftover chicken in my fridge. If you don't have shredded chicken in your fridge, skip this completely, it's fine, it's up to you. It's nasi goreng. Put whatever ingredients you want to it. Tofu, fish, prawns, anything. Just don't throw your kids in there, okay? This is my beautiful nasi goreng. Wow, time to plate our nasi goreng. Wow. We're gonna be garnishing it with some fried onions. Green onions over here. To my favorite part, time to tuck in. Now before I tuck in, I'm going to splash a bit of sweet soy sauce on top of my eggs. delicious. It's sweet and spicy at the same time, and the umaminess from the shrimp paste itself is just, oh my god, so good. You need to try this nasi goreng recipe and let me know how it goes. Now, if you've got any questions or suggestions, just pop them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi!